So here the diagram shows the forces acting on the light rod. So this here, let us say it is a light rod, and on this rod a number of forces are acting, and we have been asked to
Yes.
find the moment about this point P, moment about that point P. Ready? So let's take a moment about point P. Because we are finding the sum of all moments, let us call it as sum of MP, or we can find all the moments one by one, like M1, M2 and M3, and then add them all together to get total moment. So first moment, due to 5 Newton. For 5 Newton, the total distance from this point to this point is 3, and it is going in clockwise direction, so this should be minus. So this value we get here is minus 15 Newton meter. Now M2, so let us say this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So M2 will be 4 times the perpendicular distance here is this much, that is 1, and this is moving in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means positive, so we get this as 4 Newton meter. Then third force, M3, this one, that is acting here, and the perpendicular distance is this much, so 3 times 1, and this is moving in anti-clockwise direction, and hence it is positive, so this is 3 Newton meter. Now to add all these, we can just call it as sum of all the moments about point P. So minus 15 plus 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 minus 15 is minus 8 Newton meter. Minus means that it is acting in clockwise direction. Okay.
Yes.